Ah, nice weather, brother Mike. Ah, okay. He already saw. Buang.
Buang. Buangka.
Buang ka.
Buangka.
Buang ka.
Sige, sige. Oi,
Sige,
oi.
sige.
No, you
Soon, I
don't.
wanna touch no personally.
No, you don't.
Where part of Manila your girlfriends are Elvis? Manila also have got experience a super typhoon. Yes, I'm working here in Korea. For Elvis, I am a OFW. I'm taking care of kids. And then I cook also Korean food. Mahadlok na kumulo Pinas kay Cindy Baguio. Ah, bahala ng Baguio. Basta ako gusto kumulo. I want to go home. This Rose. Next, but Sir Elvis, my contract here is finished. So next year I will be come back to Philippines next year. Lizelle, thank you, Lizelle. Thank you, Sis Rose. Hello, Lizelle from Mark. Sis Rose, we even have typhoon. I want to go home. I'm not scared of typhoon.
I am.
Even that, I'm not scared.
When I was in Korea, it'd wash up crabs and we'd shoot them with pellet guns.
Oh.
Go crab hunting.
Mm. My GF is in Qatar working as a caregiver as well. Oh, in Qatar. Oh my God. Caregiver is in Qatar is very big salary. Sir Elvis. Did you already meet your girlfriend, Sir Elvis? Ardila, thank you, Pam Pam, thank you.
Thanks, Pamela. Thanks for the
Thank,
hearts.
salamat po. A big hug for you, girl, and your hubby from Rose. Thank you, Rose.
Thanks, Rose.
Salamat po.
Bye, Sir Mike
Salamat.
from Rose. See you later. Thanks for stopping by.
Bye-bye, Rose. Thank you. Rose, dear burning. I finally set you free. Mike, Han, you will do live today or tomorrow?
Whatever you want to do, hon. I don't care.
Your birthday are approaching. Yes, yes, my birthday on Friday. She's there till 2017. I'm meeting her in April 2017 in the Philippines. I will be going for 3 months. Oh, that's good. Bye. God bless you both. Thank you, Rose. God bless you and keep safe always. Keep safe always. Take care, Rose. Hello, Murphy. Murphy, you want to come up in the camera, Murphy? Murphy.
You're
That's
scratching
the
me
Mike.
again. Look at this.
That's Mike, baby.
This gets scratched all the time by this dog.
Murphy.
It's a good thing I love him. He's just a sweetheart. He's just a sweetheart. He's just a sweetheart. He didn't know his own strength.